Hello and hi friends, my name is Shiraj Singh Chauhan and you're watching my channel Taught Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Windows 10, 8 and 7, which is Ubisoft Service is currently unavailable in the Uplay. So we can fix this issue. You just need to watch this tutorial till the end. First of all, for this you have to run the command prompt add an administrator. You just need to right click on this, then afterward you have to click run as administrator. Then you have to give access by clicking on yes over here. Now you just need to type few commands which were like this. First command is net sh space int space ip space reset space c colon backward slash reset log dot txt. Then you have to simply press enter. Now you have to type net sh space win sock space reset, then press enter. Now you have to reset the IP configuration. Also for that you have to type IP config, then space forward slash flush DNS flush DNS, then simply press enter. Now the IP has successfully flushed. Now you have to type exit. Now you need to restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. If this method doesn't work for you, then don't worry, we're gonna skip to the second method, which was like this. You have to click on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to click on the control panel. Once the control panel would be open, you just need to type on network and internet. Now you have to click on network and sharing center. Now you have to click on the left hand side. You can see the option change adapter settings. You have to click on this. Afterward you have to right click on the adapters, then click on properties, then give access by clicking on yes. Now you have to uncheck this internet protocol version 6. Now you have to press OK. Close all the windows. Now you need to restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. Hope this two methods would definitely work for you. If either of the method doesn't work, you can leave a comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out individually within 10 hours. Thank you friends, Jai Hind, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to give a like to this video. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.